Cleaning screens the traditional way takes way too much time. The cleaning station, the scrubbing, the rinsing, all that back and forth. Labor costs add up. For 15 years, Screen Magic has given pros a better, faster way. Just apply Screen Magic to a 10-inch T-bar sleeve and clean the screen right at the window. No rinsing, no scrubbing, no back and forth. Takes less than a minute per average screen. Just reinstall and you're on to the next. It's that easy. What's the science behind the magic? Screen Magic is silica-based, not hydrophobic. Its emulsions do the scrubbing, breaking down dirt and buildup. Surfactants spread it through the mesh, while UV inhibitors and glossing agents make screens look like new, all for about 10 cents per screen. And because Screen Magic looks the same wet as it does dry, a missed spot shows immediately. Touch it up in seconds and deliver perfect screens every time. It works on standard screens, sliding doors, retractable screens, security screens, screened patios, and more. Never scrub a screen again. Clean screens faster, take on more jobs, make more money. Go to smpros.com. That's SM as in Screen Magic -pros.com.